Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off search history on Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off search history, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. In Find a Settings, type search. Now click on Cloud Search Settings. Now scroll down. You'll find history. Search history on your device. Just turn off here. And importantly, you can clear device search history. Click on Clear Device Search History. Now close settings. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.